If you're looking for some help in learning how to draw Julia from Sesame Street, you've come to the right place. She's one of the newer characters on the television series and is known for being their first character diagnosed with autism. Hi, my name's Kathy, and I've been teaching kids how to draw for over 20 years now. You know, my favorite thing to do is to show students that when you take things one step at a time, learning how to draw just might be easier than you think. Here are the supplies we need to make this drawing: just a pencil, black marker, paper, and some crayons. You can also find a link to a step-by-step tutorial in the description below. Now, I do like to work with center pencil guidelines on my paper, but you can also just fold your paper in half in both directions to make some creased lines to follow. Step number 1. The head begins with a wide U shape. I'm making marks to show where mine is going to go, and after those are in place, I'm going to draw one side and then the other one to match it. Step number 2. Now the ears are added on both sides, and then a curved line that goes up for her bangs, and it has just a few little notches in it. Step number 3. It's time to draw Julia's eyes, and I like to make dots to plan them first. Notice hers do angle up a little bit. After the dots are connected, add a circle shape that's sitting on the bottom edge a little bit, and then a smaller circle inside for her pupil. Step number 4, she also has some pretty eyelashes that can be added to her eyes on one side and the other. And when those are done, then draw a simple circle nose and a smiling mouth. Step number 5, let's go on to draw a neck under her head, and then starting on the center line, draw one side of her hair and then the other, trying to match them as best you can. Step number 6. All right, let's move on to her top now. We can draw one side and then the other, and add some matching short sleeves when we're done. Step number 7. Now comes her right arm, which is bent up with her fingers outstretched like this. And then her left arm, which is just hanging down, and you can also see her fingers there too. Step number 8. Julia's pants are really easy to draw. One leg is angled out like this, and then the other one is curved back. I'm going to add an ankle on her right side and a simple shoe underneath it. The ankle and shoe on the left side look the same, they're just pointing down. Finally, I'm going to add a horizon line with a few little squiggles for grass. Step number 9. Well, the pencil drawing is all done, so it's time to trace everything with a good black marker. Now, before you put that black marker away, it's a really great tool to fill in the pupils in her eyes and her little eyelashes. All right, when the tracing is done, you might know that I always recommend erasing any pencil lines that might still be showing. All right, it's finally time to color, and Julia does have that Muppet yellow skin color, so I'm going to start with that. And her hair is orange. I'm going to start her clothes with a purple top, but please feel free to use whatever colors you want. The short sleeves are going to be pink, a light yellow-green for her pants, and black for the slippers that she's wearing on her feet. Finally, the background is getting some dark green for that grass, and light blue for the sky. Do try to fill in the area carefully because solid coloring will really help Julia stand out from the background. At Art Projects for Kids, you'll find more cartoon drawing lessons, including how to draw Piglet and Eeyore from Winnie the Pooh. I'm happy to say that over the years, my website has helped millions of kids learn how to draw. Thank you for joining me today, and if you're watching this on YouTube, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel so you can get notified as soon as I make a new video.